Headed west on Speedway. Here we are coming up corner of Speedway and Rosemont. Down south on Rosemont, this is the other direction somebody come in from the north or the south, which is the west entrance of the shop. Comparative to our shop next door, it's way more parking available for both customers and employees.
How you doing today? Good to see you. What are we doing for you?
Get some work done on my car, hopefully.
All right. You have any cord?
Yeah, it looks like that.
All right. Here it is. Sign it in here.
Right here I have a complete area for Wi-Fi, kind of like a cafe. We set it up. Got their own drinking, as far as cold water, hot water for some of the pee people. I've got some of the coffee people. Got some of the jerseys up on the walls for some of the guys that are all the bike clubs. We help sponsor one of the bike clubs. Some of the other stuff that we help out with other organizations. And then including the bathrooms. I kind of brag about how nice the bathrooms are. This is a men's bathroom. Compared to the one bathroom we used to have next door for everybody, all the employees and the customers. So I'll show you the women's bathroom. It's most compliments we have is always how clean they are, how big they are. More of the soft, friendlier changing station for the babies. And I got big enough where customers can come in here with a stroller, baby stroller and baby at the same time. And we got a display counter too for stuff that we do sell. Some of the bikes, the t-shirts we have for sale, some of the products. A little show and tell area, worn out parts. Some of our display for BG, how time and belt and brake stuff works. A little bit easier to explain to customers what we do. Got the wall of shame, I call it, with all the guys' certificates. And then we got a big old TV that we do both advertising on too. This is the other waiting area for somebody who wants to watch TV, read newspaper, and then we do the advertising at the bottom of the TV set of any specials we're doing, any giveaway stuff, and some of the stuff that we actually do, like we're having food drives we tell people we're going to go ahead and have, or some kind of special donational stuff that we're trying to get involved in with the city, be it we're trying to bring awareness to whatever benefits that we're all kind of involved in, or one of our guys are involved with, or one of our even our customers are involved with. This is my cashier's window right here. When they get done paying for everything, I kind of wanted to be kind of secluded so people wouldn't be able to hear conversations if they're being explained something, or if they got a credit card, might even have a problem with cashing out or something. They can get a little bit more personal with the service advisor that worked on their car as far as giving them all the information and stuff. This all gets right here. Pamphlets, all receipts, everything is given out right here. Generally, we walk them out to their cars, but not all the time. That's it. This is my parts department. Basically, my parts counter over here, so we put them on the bottom shelves for technicians with the parts and their ROs. The desk in the back is for Thomas. He does a lot of all our internet stuff, talking to consumers, asking them how they do in the 3-day checks. And then basically, if one of my service advisors have to have a personal call and feel like they want it private and nobody will understand what's going on or hear it, the conversation. And this is my office right here. It's pretty much, you can see through the window, I get to look kind of what's going on in the back of the shop. Right now you can't see it correctly, but basically what we did was we have a competition in here to pick who's going to win the national championship. I give out a $50 gift certificate at the end, who ends up with the most points. This is my parts store on the side of the garage where the parts vendors will stop right here in front of the door and they come through this door right here. I've got a key drop for nighttime drops, which leads into the shop, and then down the hallway I have both the area where people can go for the service and they jump back here, the parts. And then I have you turn the corner, you see the shop with a lot of equipment, with service techs working. My overflow area. The tools. Got a tool room. Got all the specialty tools. Got the breakout boxes, testers, press, drill press. It's got to get organized. We've overgrown that even. I went out and bought a brand new Snap-on Versa complete station. All the diagnostic stuff's inside the box, from 5-gas analyzer to all the test equipment. Okay. We got the break room for all the employees. Sometimes we have our meetings in here. I have a separate computer and a desk so the employees can take tests, get on review stuff. And then at the same token, they can actually go in there sometimes and bring up some of the repair stuff from Mitchell, hit the printer. Got a refrigerator, microwave, toaster, and then we have a complete bathroom for the employees only. So basically it's got a complete locker set up on both sides for the employees. They have their own lockers and stuff. Next door we didn't have no place at all. Most of the guys took the uniforms home with them, and then I had to make sure that they took them for cleaning. That's pretty much ended my little tour. This is something we just installed 2 weeks ago. We hired another tech, so that makes it 4 full-time techs. This has helped out tremendously to find out where everybody basically has to do their 40+ hours. And it's helped out a lot. Of course, we're going to do a little massaging, but I think it's, when it really came down to it, every day they walk by it, everybody pretty much knows where we're at. Thank you.